Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk tei bwkhwk song tai lamsogo ani o channel o faidi chwng tini nailainai Food Security Program, Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Tripura hoite kaisa job notification faimani abonotoi chwng tini nailainai wngkha boni website norok oro thangaibo naimano ang norokno borokni je notification faimani abo ang nongno phunuknai wngkha naidi employment notice number dated naidi chung nugui mano o jaga one post of male member in Dhalai district Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission Kamalpur ni bagwi kaisa post borok tlangnai chelani bagwi and kaisa post tlangnai bwrwngni bagwi same Dhalai district Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission Kamalpur ni bagwi o job ni bagwi jara eligible ngnai rok wngkha naidi V not less than 35 years of age takhwk te bwkhwk song obo jara job apply khainani bagwi bongni age below 35 hingke ingya 35 ni above ngna nangnai aboni pore possesses a bachelor degree from a recognized university bachelor degree tono nangnai and be persons of ability integrity and standing and having special knowledge and professional experience of not less than 15 years in consumer affairs, law, public affairs, administration, economics, commerce, industry, finance, management, engineering, technology, public health or medicine takhwk te bwkhwk song o job no apply khaina hangke je ang tabuk je sabemani obni related 15 years experience tona nangnai minimum aboni pore faidi chwng nalainai the appointment will be made on part-time basis for a term of 4 years or up to the age of 65 years whichever is earlier the person so engaged shall be entitled to receive sitting fees 2500 per day of sitting takhwk te bwkhwk song o job ni bagai per day 2500 rwjangnai takhwk te bwkhwk song wngkha part time basis job naidi oro tam sijak tong for a term of 4 years or up to the age of 65 years whichever is earlier tabuk romdi wngkha 4 years ni bagi borok tlangnai jara romdi 58 years age o jara join khaina rok borok hangkai 59 60 61 62 62 borok bongno job pai thangnai romdi jara 62 o jara age o join khaina rok boni ke 63 64 65 borok kai 3 years borok o job no ma khainai o jaga tam sege ba je sikang manjangnai obono ongnai ediba jara kom age o join khaina rok borok 4 years khaimanai tagromni jara 61 62 ba 63 61 ko to 4 years kai thangnai 65 o ediba ba jara 62 ba 63 o join khaina rok borok kai hoyto ba 2 years hoyto ba 3 years ma khalengnai ediba jara age join khaina rok borok joto 4 years ma khainai aboni pore faidi cheng nalaine the persons who already apply for the aforesaid post need not apply fresh takhwk te bwkhwk song dara already no o job ne bagi agi apply khaijak borok tai ketalwabe apply khaina nangya aboni pore tam shikenai di the intending candidate shall send their application with biodata and requisite credential address to the Additional Secretary and Director FCS and CA Department, Gurkhabasti, Agartala 6, directly or by post, so as to reach the office of the undersigned by 31st July. Takhwk bwkhwk jara o job ni bagui eligible tonerok tai interest tonerok borok bongni biodata tai documents joton tlangai bongni office address thangai submit khaidi bongni office ni address ka to the additional secretary and director, FCS and CA Department, Gurkhabasti, Agartala 6. Haikaba jara thana musungia borok post office telephone rihomano o address sei ediba. The details may be viewed from the website fcatripura.gov.in of the 4th CS and CA Department. Takhwk bwkhwk o job ni bagai to asogno bishito kri jara eligible tonerok norok daktino thani apply khaidi Belai kheno hambai tin bagai to asogno Khwlwmkha.